Hello, my lovely fire sign, my dear Aries, Leo, Sag. This is Shrividya. We'll be doing your love relationship reading, watching what is going on with you, and watching what is going on with your partner side also. So let's cards already shuffle. Let's begin your reading. Okay, Archangels, Archangel, I invoke your presence. Please help me in the reading. Okay, now what happened with you in the past? Please show me what happened with my fire sign in the past. Give me three cards for the past. For the past energies, please. Give me three cards for the past energy. What happened in the past? Ace of Swords. Past energies, please. Four of Pentacles reversed. Okay. And one more card. Queen of Swords reversed. Wow. Great. Okay, I see you totally cut this person off. Present energies of my fire sign. Present energies of my fire signs. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Okay. Ten of Pentacles reversed. Okay. And one more card, please. I've got two cards. Page of Pentacles and Four of Wands reversed. See, both of these two cards relates with marriage and commitment. So currently, I'm not seeing a very great things happening for you in the current. You must be struggling a lot, and you are waiting patiently for someone to come, or you could be waiting for some money also come to you. Something is lost over here, and you're waiting for it. I'll will explain it in a little while. First, get me card for your future. Your future, please show me your future cards. Show me future cards for my. Okay, got this. Queen of Wands, great. See, Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. My goodness. I hope you're able to see. This always happens. I have some issue here. Okay. So, okay. And one more card. And one more card. One more card, please. One more card, please. For future. For future. For future. King of See that this is a couple. This is a couple. So bottom of deck, Five of Cups reversed. So this is your side of the reading. First, let me tell you what is going on with you. I am sensing over here that in the past you had some ending, you had some clarity also, and you let go of some a person, a past person, because something came to the light. He was doing something behind your back, and you just let it go and you just cut that person off. That's what in the past. And in the current energies, I am seeing that you are moving ahead. There is like waiting energy also here. You are at the point of decision making. This could be, some of you could be married to this person, and you are calling off this marriage or calling off this commitment. You don't want to be in this commitment. The future, the energies are really very good. That I am seeing that you are taking care of your self in the future, totally taking back the control. Why King of Pentacle is reversed here? Please show me why King of Pentacle is reversed over here. Wow, this is very much. This is very clear that there has been a heartbreak in your relationship. The relationship is over. It's like almost over, but there are some fragments that you are carrying on, even though you'll be working towards your goals in the future. I'm sensing a very clear energy over here that you are cutting this person off and moving towards your future, and you'll be totally dedicated and totally determined what you want to do in the future. Also, people will be seeing you very like in very command position, full of money, full of abundance, and extremely charming. Maybe many of the other people could be approaching you in the future. That's what I am sensing here. Okay, now let us get some energies regarding your partner. How your ex or this partner, that what whomsoever you're thinking about, how he actually feels towards you. Please tell me how this partner of my fire sign feels towards my fire sign. What they actually feels towards my fire sign. Please tell me. Oh my god. Ten of Wands reversed. Okay. Okay. Show me more. Show me more. Nine of Cups and Two of Pentacles. See, he sees that you are overburdened with relationship and you are happy in yourself. Although this person was, blessed to be in this relationship. This person must have juggled with other party in the past, and that's why you left him. Otherwise, Six of Swords is here, means you just want to move to a calmer place, and you did that. You left this person, you moved towards your happiness, whatever that was. Although this relationship was very committed relationship, it was full of love or in full of commitment, then something abrupt happened that this person might have juggled you with someone else. This person didn't, took you for granted, didn't consider you as the, one person like you consider this person, and he had his options open. So why this Ten of Wands is reverse? Please tell me. Please tell me. Wow. See, this person feels that because of the third party, you it was very hard for you to bear with this person, and that's why you just opted to drop this burden down. You might be very troubled in the past, and that's why he feels that you cut him off. Why this Nine of Cups is here? Why this Nine of Cups is here? Why this Nine of Cups is here? Ace of Cups reversed. See, this is Ten of Cups. If you see that this is Ten of Cups, this is Ten of Pentacles, this was a very solid commitment you both had. But because of this person's approach, that he juggled you with someone else, he didn't he took you for granted. That's what I'm sensing. He took you for granted, and he also could have like made a commitment somewhere else. That's why he now he has some third party with him. Please tell me about this Two of Pentacles. Page of Swords. See, it's like that your relationship with him has, like, it's ended from your side, but this person is watching you. He still is like juggling with what he used to do in the past. And what you did is that because of his juggling, you cut this person off. You are very clear that I am letting go of this relationship. That's very, very clear. Okay. And how this person is feeling as of now? How this person is feeling as of now? Tell me how this person is feeling as of now. How this person is feeling at his current feeling. How in his state of being. His state of being. This person's state of being. Okay. Okay. Ooh. This person could be a Leo, Aquarius. Major energies are Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio also. All the energies are here. Please clarify the moon reversed. Please clarify the moon reversed. I see that now your person realized what he lost. He is now becoming a bit mature. It is being very clear to him that he lost some treasure of his life. So this is a Sag energy as well, Pisces energy, and some recognition he is getting. He's getting some clarity that this situation needs to be healed. This relationship needs to be healed. He cannot let you go. By Knight of Pentacles is here. Ten of Wands. This person of yours is really burdened by you cutting him off. See, Queen of Swords is here also. You cut him off. This is very burdensome for him, and that's why he is now coming to you. He is going to approach you. This is present energy. So in present only, this person is going to approach you for sure. Why the Star is reversed? Why the Star is reversed? With you gone, he has become hopeless. He is like, he this is a self-worth issue as well. You used to motivate him, you used to give him the to show him that you are like a person who like needs to shine. And now he misses you because he took you for granted, and with you gone, his stability is gone, his finances are gone. He There is no one to motivate him. He is not feeling very confident in himself also. You were there, this is like all the time taking energies, not giving to you. You gave him a lot, but in return this person took you for granted, brought some other person in, and now this person is feeling the consequences of it. He is overburdened. And if this person has connected to some third party, that third party is also not like showing him a very good you know approach. That third party is also not being with this person. See, the four of wands is reversed. If this person married to someone else, that marriage is crashing down. He's overburdened, he's coming to you because you were his backbone. I'm sensing a backbone figure. Maybe he used to say to you. Okay, what this person is going to bring to the table in near future to my fire sign. Future, what this person is going to my future, to my air sign, going to do with my air sign. Is there any communication? Is there any? Yes. See, clear cut energy, 6 of cups. He is going to come and reconcile with you. More energies, please. Page of swords. He is like planning over it, and he is all the time keeping an eye what you're doing. And although his intentions are not very good, see, he still wants you to keep you in a like threesome energies. He wants you to be like friends with him, and then slowly and steadily he wants you to again go to that previous relationship in which you were bound by him. He just want to keep you stuck. This is like his energy. It's not a very good energy. He is going to show you something else, although he means something else, because he just want to take everything out of you. You belong to him, that kind of energy. There's no responsible kind of energy I'm getting over here. Okay, now advice card for my fire sign. Please show me the advice card for my fire sign. Page of cups. One more card. Advice card please. 7 of wands and the emperor. Wow. Clear cut energies is here. Aries energy is also here. Advice is that stand on your ground. Don't let other or this person if some I'm sensing that if someone tells you a lot, then you give up to it. Or you need the attitude of yours is that you have to stay strong, say what you really want, and defend yourself. You are an emperor, total control of yourself. You are taking care of everything as well as of yourself. You protect other also. You must be having pets, and you are like a justice figure in yourself. So be like that. And whatever, if you have a dream to nurture it. You must be a painter. You must take your attention out of this clutter and get out of it. What I am getting is this. Let me get some twin flame cards from your partner, what he wants to say to you. Twin flame from your partner, what he wants to say to you. What this person wants to say to you. This person wants to say to my fire sign. Please tell me. Okay, he has actually nothing to say because he is totally in his minds. I know you are right, but I need to come to my own conclusion. See, he is like very selfish, taking care of his needs, not taking care of yours. Maybe we are just too different. One more card, please. They have given 2 cards. I can't handle your words right now. I have thought a lot about you lately, and I'm in much better headspace now. Now this is a bit confusing. It's like, okay, I got it. See, this person did what he did in the past. He is not going to regret, to show that he is regretful about it, although I'm seeing him very burdened and very lost without you. It's like he is taking his time, or also he is going to, like, see this energy. I told you to your card is to defend for yourself. This person could say to you that that's your approach, this is my approach, and I need to follow my own, stability path, because you are not taking care of it. So you need to, like, stand on your grounds, because this person is just going to show you that you were wrong, and then you come back to me, and then I'll keep you stuck. Very stubborn kind of energy, not understanding what is. I am bleeding but you cannot see my blood. See, this person is not happy in whatever commitment he is in, although this person is not going to show you that he is unhappy. You need to accept your fault. As per him, I am burning with passion for you. You need to be, oh my god, third card is also like passionate card. I know that the fire that burns in you is the same that burns in me. See, all the trees are passionate cards. He is very passionate towards you, very much passionate. The physical attraction is very much there rather than emotions, and he is like, he just want to keep you by his side. Be very of the, be very, like, understanding of what he actually is. He is not a very nice person, what I am getting, a narcissist kind of approach I am getting. You need to stay on your grounds, take your energies out to something, your creativity, and be an emperor of your life. See what the truth is. Although you are very much in your energy, I'm seeing in the future you're just going to shine. You're just going to shine. So this was your reading, my dear Faisan. Please let me know how you resonate with it. Bye.